Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. It's been a little while, so I'm here with my license plate. Got a shit ton of snow and Ray in this big ass yellow jacket. Jesus Christ, I didn't even realize that's what he was wearing until just now. But yeah, we've got like what, 6 inches at least. Very powdery. Not really feeling this, but thought might as well take out the Accord if we can. If we're not too low, we'll become a snowplow today. But my shoes are already soaked and I've been out here for less than 2 minutes. It's gonna be primo. Let's get going. Oh wow, look at my car. Prius is having a hard time over here. Can't even see it.
Okay.
It's so white. But yeah, everybody's got their, look at Ray's car, not even touched. Not even touched. And then the Accord is like nearly invisible here. This is crazy. Oh man, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get back in here if I, holy shit, dude. It's a lot of snow on this thing. Sometimes I wish I had a thing. Oh my god, look at that barrel. Oh! Nice. Damn, this is crazy, bro. It's all powder. This is so cool. All right. See, Ray's got gloves on. I don't. Ooh. Oh yeah, I gotta get a photo of this before we take it all apart. It looks like a Prius from the back, actually, doesn't it? Here. Now it looks like a Prius.
Looks like a hatchback.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, shit. Just cut a control line here. It's so cold. Alright, so this is how much snow is in here compared to a license plate. That's a standard license plate. So this is probably about more than, what? It's about 5-6 inches. You think?
Yeah.
There's snow in my shoe right now. We'll leave the plate covered so people can't see it.
Exactly.
Oh, what's that? That's a car. Where's Pikachu? So guys, I really fucked up yesterday. Pikachu's kind of dead now. His ear kind of came off. You can see right here. Pikachu's ear is catching a little bit of snow right there, sadly. Gotta get some adhesive and re-stick him back on. Sad.
Oh, see, it's not frozen.
Well, there we go. You guys ready for a cold start? Let's do it. Oh my god. It's so dark in there. This is ice already. Oh. It's so dark in there.
Can't see anything in here.
It's so dark. Gotta leave this bit too.
Perfect.
Oh, ow! Take it for a spin?
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Say full send it and fuck it?
I don't know. I don't know how I'll fare.
Alright guys, I think we're gonna try to take the car out. I don't know if it's gonna go well. And my shit's frozen, so. Oh. Bruh, no! Oh, fuck. How in... No!
It's like literally beast on the...
Shit. That's crazy, bro. Holy shit. Okay, we really shouldn't have taken this thing out today, but I'm still having a lot of fun, so I think I'm gonna dig myself out here.
Yeah, we're just beast on this now.
Low key, yeah. It would be great to get it pushed, maybe. Well, alright then. I guess the car's still in one piece, so that's a good thing. Shout out to those people who helped me out. That was pretty lit. I wonder if they were pushing on the ducktail or what. Actually, because that sounded like cracking to me. Hopefully there's no damage. Okay, cool. We're good then. I think they were chilling. Smells like burning tire now because I've been just shredding tire the entire time.
Dude, already. It's gone.
I know, dude. Somebody took my spot like so quickly. It's crazy. But it's okay. I got another one.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That was funny as fuck. Those people at the bus stop were over there and they saw us go in the first time and then they saw us come back and then they were laughing at us when we got stuck. So that was pretty funny. Too low, dude. Low problem. Oh my god, you can see under the car. There's just so much snow down there. See right there? That little, yeah, right there. It's crazy. Beamer gang. Probably get more stuck in this thing than my car.
Oh, for sure.
Shit. Okay, my fog light came out. I wonder if it just broke the entire bulb. That's probably what was dragging earlier. Yeah, the bulb is just ripped.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that sucks.
Oh, damn. I think it's been like that for more than today, then.
Wait, is that the stock one, or is that the one?
No, this is my fog light.
That is the stock fog right there.
It's not a stock fog light. My car didn't come with fog lights.
Oh, shit.
Okay, we're not driving the car until I get that fixed. I wonder if the other one's okay, though. Yeah, the other one's fine. So this one just ripped off the bulb and, like, all the glass is gone, too. Dang, that sucks. Oh well. I mean, they're like cheap bulbs. They're like $9. So I'm not too upset about it. Kind of figured something was gonna fall off. I should probably pull that up though. I wonder if I can even pop the hood right now. Hood's gonna be like twice as heavy as normal. Nice. Okay, where is it? Fog light. It's right here. Did you see that?
Oh. Oh my god, there's so much snow.
Alright, so we got this back. We're good. This will stay up here for a while. And then we'll put the new fog light in, put it back in the hole, and we'll be okay. But do you guys see this? There's so much snow down here. Oh, fuck. That's crazy. Oh, yes, nice and toasty, though. Use this as my hand warmer. Oh, I got it all dirty. It's fine, guys. We'll respray that at some point anyway. But, yeah. Damn. It's funny. You can drop it now. Cocaine. Yo guys, so that was quite the adventure. We probably didn't even spend more than 5 minutes outside of the complex, but it's definitely oh, by the way, you guys are foggy, I'm foggy, my glasses are all fogged up. We just got back inside from clearing off the cars, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.